Okay, we got a little project going on here for the winter. That's the old harbor over there. You can see all the docks and pilings and boats. And this is what they call the new harbor, where there's no pilings or docks because they've all been taken out. And this is a rebuild. It's supposed to go on for the next 6 months or in the next summer, whatever, hopefully before they'll finish before fishing season. They're taking out all the pilings and the floating docks and hauling them away, and everything's going to get replaced. And an otter swimming around out there, just diving down. Nothing bothers the otters right there. You got something to say there? Come on. Wah, wah, wah. Birds rule this place. Yeah, if they don't get this thing finished by end of May, it's going to be a big mess around here. Because there are hundreds of people coming in with boats with no place to put them. Where'd that otter go to? He must be camera shy. Well, my fingers are freezing. That's enough of this.